AMC could break out to about $45 in the next coming weeks, according to Tim Collins. Who is Tim Collins? We're going to talk about that, as well as what he is seeing in the charts and why he is saying this. So let's get into this video. Hit the like button for me, as well as consider subscribing to the channel. So this article was made 12 hours ago. It says Tim Collins, AMC's no investment, but it could be a trade. Now, first and foremost, who is Timothy Collins? Timothy Collins has worked as a financial advisor since 1999, focusing on portfolio customization with a concentration on correlation, arbitrage, and risk management. Growth. He started Collins Capital Advisors in 2007, which has evolved into Tangle Trade Management LLC. Currently, he operates Retro Wall Street, a site focused on education, trader mentoring, and humor. You'll find him spending his days in the Retro Wall Street chat room. Prior to joining his firm, American Express Financial Advisors, in 1999, Colin worked as a staff accountant for United Information Systems in Bethesda, MD. He has also worked as a financial analyst for securities pricing and research in Annapolis, MD. Collins is a graduate from McCannell College, formerly Western Maryland College, with degrees in business administration, economics, and sociology, and is a winner of the Bates Prize. So that is a little bit of the background of Timothy Collins. Not as, I mean, it is important, but it's not as important, because a lot of what he is saying in this, small article is basically about the chart setup. But I think it is, something to keep in mind to hear different opinions. So that's really why I wanted to bring this to you guys. So it does go on to say, through no fault of its own, AMC Entertainment has become one of the Wall Streets, a legacy company. They got battered by the pandemic. Turns out mass quarantines did not help the business of sitting next to strangers for hours on end. Then gamblers and market manipulators over at Wall Street Bets got their hands on AMC stock, and the rest is very weird and recent history. Now, Tim Collins thinks something might be about to happen. In quotes, ironically, it seems every time the SEC makes a knock against meme stocks, it rallies their supporters, Colin wrote recently on Real Money. That won't last forever, and I have no idea when it will stop. However, combining the news along with current chart patterns has me thinking volatility. Since hitting highs in September, AMC has been trickling lower on the tune of nearly 25% off the highs. This has really been a round trip since the August breakout. We can spot a nice trend line of support going back nearly 2 months. It might not be as strong as it appears given all the white space above the trend line over the past month. However, it is also in line with the 50-day simple moving average SMA, so it can't be dismissed. That SMA helps alleviate the slight weakness of the support area. What he's talking about is about that $30 price, in between about $30, $33 per share. He does add the oversold nature of the full stochastic and MACD indicator, both of which appear ready to cross bullish, plus the bullish parabolic stop and reverse PSAR create an interesting bounce candidate here. Now, if you're looking long, a close under 38 looks like a clear stop to me. The gap fill to 44 appears to be the upside target. A close over 45 should return us to $50, while a close under 38 should take us into the $32 to $34 range. But Collins is clear, this is pure trading, not investment. The technical indicators for AMC show the market may be ready to put some money back into the stock. So there might be an opportunity for shorter term players to buy in. Maybe, at least, Colin writes, if the stock starts to tick back up, traders can probably expect it to keep going up for a little while. There's no business-based upside here, though. On a fundamental basis, there's really nothing here for me. Accepting Dogecoin is pandering to the crowd in an attempt to win back meme traders. It's not as though there is an uproar of demand with people standing in front of the box office demanding to pay with Dogecoin. And what I say to that is we are not at that level yet. Nobody knows if people are actually going to flock to theaters to spend their Dogecoin. I tend to think they will. Obviously not as much as card or cash, but I still think it can be a pretty decent amount of revenue, probably only a couple percentage points comparatively to their total revenue, right? Cards and cash and, other means of transacting revenue with AMC theaters, mainly card and cash. But it can still be a sizable amount because a lot of younger people do go to theaters, a lot of younger people own Dogecoin, and a lot of younger people are statistically bigger spenders. And if you have Dogecoin or cash, which one are you going to spend? Probably the Dogecoin. Me personally, I wouldn't buy Dogecoin anyways. I think there's a lot better crypto investments. But if you're somebody that has Dogecoin over cash, you're probably going to opt to use the Dogecoin if it is simple and easy to use. So there's my little argument to that. But overall, he's saying $45 to even $50 per share, which does look very reasonable considering where we are at, and we were just at about $53 per share. So I think AMC is a strong bounce candidate here in this next week, given all of the information we have went over in previous videos. The fact that Venom is now the second top grossing movie that has ever went to theaters in October ever in the history of theaters, we are going to see a big boost in price. You're going to see a lot of traders come in and start to buy the stock. All in all, this is great. I like to, share different opinions. That's what I really strive to be on this channel. At the very least, provide you guys the factual information as well as my opinions, because if you guys hear, say, 10, 20 different opinions, you can come to a more accurate opinion of your own. You have more information, more knowledge, more insight into what people are thinking that have a lot of experience. So I did want to bring this to you guys. Overall, this is a bullish thing that we are going over in this video. So that is going to be all. I wanted to keep this very short for you guys, get straight to the information that you guys need to know. If you guys got any value out of this video, or if you appreciate different opinions, whether they are bullish or bearish, tap, tickle, touch, or smash that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down below, what is your price target for AMC in this next upcoming week. Feel free to be bearish, feel free to be bullish. I don't care. Your guys' opinions are valuable to me. Provide some insight on why you think the stock will go up or down. So that is going to be all for this video. If you guys want to directly support the channel, link for public, link for Weeble down below in the description, not the comment section, the description, as well as the link for the buy and sell alerts. We do it all. We swing trade, day trade, make long-term investments with stock options and crypto. So definitely check that out. We keep it very inexpensive, so anybody is financially able to join if they want to be a part of that program, grow their knowledge, and be a part of a great community. So with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Get ready for action coming tomorrow with AMC stock. I will see you guys in the next video.